Hey, I saw your TV was on and thought I'd swing by.
Jeez, you look like hell.
Listen, I'm at the end of my rope here. I can't sleep. I can't eat. Peyton Manning was accused of assaulting a woman, and it just kind of went away. I need you to do something for me, Peter.
What is it? You name it.
I don't want to live like this. I need you to kill me.
What? Quagmire, I can't do that. You're my best friend.
If that's true, then you'll do it. You don't know what it's been like. I can't remember the last time I slept 15 minutes straight. It's torture, Peter, and it's driving me insane. Please, I'm begging you.